Guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the super flip pattern on a Rubik's Cube. This is super flip. In this cube, you can see that every single edge is flipped without affecting the corners. You can take any edge on this cube and see that every edge is flipped. On this pattern, you get two methods. The one, a formula method, and second method is by solving the cube by just only flipping the edges. I'll be teaching both the methods in this video, so be tuned. To do super flip pattern is by using a formula. The formula is small and simple and can be learned quite easily. It doesn't take that much time and effort to do it. So the formula goes like this: m prime u, m prime u, m prime u, m prime u. Then you do an x and a y prime. See, this is called an x move. This is the y prime. Then do it again. M prime u, m prime u, m prime u, m prime u. Do an x, a y prime, and do it again. M prime u, m prime u, m prime u, m prime u. Now it's done. Now you can see the super flip pattern has been solved on a 3x3. You can check it around, like every single edge will be flipped. It's quite simple. Now if you want to go to cube state again, do the same set of formulas, you get it again. So m prime u, m prime u, m prime u, m prime u, x, and a y prime. I do it again. M prime u, m prime u, m prime u, m prime u, and x, a y prime, and again m prime u, m prime u, m prime u, m prime u. Now the cube came back to a solid state. You can see how simple was that. You can do it too now. Method doing a super flip on a 3x3 is by solving the 3 into the cube, the state where every single edge on this cube will be flipped without moving the corners. So I'll just do a sample solve now. I'll be shuffling the cube now. And by the way, I will use the beginner's method so that it will be easy to understand for every single person who's watching this video right now. Now, I'm going to do white cross first. So, normally you do the cross is like this. You said the first layer, like the first cross is done now. Instead of doing this, you have to flip this edge. So to do that, you can just, instead of inserting the correct way, just insert the wrong way. And you'll see that this edge will be flipped, or do is like instead of matching like this, you can just flip it away. Now you see the cross is done on this cube by inverting the edges. And now I'll do the first layer. Okay. Next this one, this piece, and this one. Now you can see that first layer is done, but like only the middle edges are turned, like flipped over. Now I'll solve the edges next, taking this edge. Now you'll find that this edge should go here. So if you do it this way, it will go the correct way. So I'll just do it in the reverse way. Now see that this edge is flipped. I'll do it that same way to each other piece, the whole cube. I'll just do it and show it to you guys. The last one. Now see in this cube, the second layer is done. Yeah, now it's done. You see that the second layer is done in this cube. The first two layers. See the first layer, it's done, and these edges are flipped. The second layer is done, and the edges are flipped. Now to the cross, the yellow cross. Now instead of, you see there is a L here. Now you should not take these pieces. Like these pieces are the pieces you should take now. You can see that these parts are flipped. That's what you need now. Now let's do the cross. Now you can see that you get the cross now. You may be thinking that it's quite hard to understand, but if you just do it few times, you understand the whole part of this. Now the next step is doing the cross correctly. Now two pieces, yeah. Now the whole cross is done. The pieces are matched to correct places. Next the corners. yeah, the corners are done too. The next step, the last step, like solve the whole cube. I'll just do that, solving the last edges. Now you can see that in this cube every single edge is flipped, like every single one. Okay, this is how you do super flip on the 3x3. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you didn't understand anything like the beginner's method, the notations I taught earlier, then go check out the videos in this channel again. You'll understand them better. Thank you and have a great day.